One of my favorite pieces of equipment is the booty band. This guy is hard, but it's a necessary evil, so let's get started. So when you place this one, I want you to put it just slightly above your knees. And we're gonna do squat walks or squat shuffles. This one you can also do moving forward and back to really activate that glute. This is a great workout to do, or like an activation movement to do before you do your squats or before you go for a run. Get your glute stabilizing muscles activated. Keeping your back nice and tall, abs tight, chin up, chest up. Again, hip hinging, pushing through your heels. All right, your turn.